Hi, I'm Jonathan. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit subscribe, and if you learned something, hit the like button. Welcome. It's apparently No Effort November. I think it's a lie, but it sounds nice to make some videos that don't require effort, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to do a short series of videos that require no scripting, little or no editing, no theme music, just me talking and showing you some code. The first one I'm going to do is about context. Hopefully you're familiar with context in Go. If you're not, this isn't the video for you. But I'm going to talk about context keys and a little trick you can do to make your keys better. Let's imagine you have some code that looks like this. If you've been using context, this should be very familiar to you. You have a function called withName that takes a context and a name. And you'll probably see this with many different things, user IDs, security contexts, whatever. The idea is you want to attach some value to a context. And you do that by using this context key. In this case, the context key is a constant, and it's just a string, the word name. Don't do that. The problem with this is that there's nothing protecting this context key, this string name. There's nothing protecting that from being used by another package, whether it be maliciously, which is unlikely probably, or by accident, which is far more likely. So, in other words, another package that you're importing, a third-party package, for example, might also set a context key that's the exact same string. So how can you protect yourself from this? It's actually pretty simple, and I'm going to show you that. Ta-da! That's it. So we've created this type called context key, and it's a struct that contains a single name. It's unexported. Both the type and the field itself are unexported. And that's useful because that means no other package can accidentally or maliciously use your context key type. And then your context key becomes a pointer to that with a particular name in it or a particular value. The advantage of this is now your context key is as small as possible and remains unique. What I mean by that is this name could be as long as you want. You could make this kilobytes long if you want to. But the context key that you're actually storing in your context value is still just the size of a pointer to a struct. So it's still just 64 bits approximately. So you could have as many of these context keys as you want, and they could be as long as you want, as descriptive as you want. This could be the opening paragraph to a novel or whatever you want. It could be as long and descriptive as you want, but it doesn't use extra memory every time you use that. And the security benefit here is that no third-party package can either accidentally or maliciously use your context keys since they're not exported. And then you use this a function like this withName, and then you probably want a counterpart to extract that, which would look like this. You put those two functions together, one that sets the value on the context, one that returns it, and all of your code can access that key without accessing the key. So there you have it. And this is the end of the video. So this is the part where I sit awkwardly and wait while you click on a button for another video that's probably interesting to you.